Peter, we're at EMO and your stand. Obviously, you've got a fantastic machine behind us. It's the OPM250E. Can you tell us a little bit what it does and what it's aimed for?
Yeah, this is our European launch of the OPM250E. It's a one-process machine, which is a 3D metal printing machine together with milling. We're considering that this market would be aerospace, of course, Formula One, medical, and small batch production machining of very, very difficult parts in precious materials.
So when you look at a machine like this, Peter, other options are additive manufacturing. This is one process then?
Well, yes, this is the process which the designers now can look at aerospace parts, and instead of making 2 or 3 parts to join together, we can do everything in one piece and mill at the same time.
This machine here then, what are the benefits to the UK and European manufacturers?
On the machine we have a number of processes. The machine itself will take the metal powder, then it will layer by laser 50 microns each time, up to 10 passes, and then the machine will actually high-speed mill that material to the finished product. So it means we can get a much higher precision finish and more accurate than most of our competitors.
Peter, thank you very much for your time on your stand.
My pleasure.